Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Dropbox Paper for collaborative project notes, beginner guide step by step clearly. To download Dropbox Paper, start by in the search bar, type Dropbox Paper and press enter. Once the search results appear, click on the official Dropbox Paper website link. On the Dropbox Paper page, look for the download option. If prompted, sign into your Dropbox account or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. After signing in, navigate to the Dropbox Paper section. Locate the option to download the desktop app if available. Click on the download button to begin the downloading process. Wait for the download to complete. Once the download is finished, locate the downloaded file in your computer's Downloads folder. Double-click the file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. After installation, open the Dropbox Paper app. Sign in using your Dropbox account credentials. Now you are ready to create and collaborate on project notes. Explore the interface to familiarize yourself with its features. Invite team members to collaborate by sharing the notes with them. Start working on your projects together in real time. Enjoy the seamless collaborative experience that Dropbox Paper provides. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.